Check out this cabin with low-maintenance California yard nestled against a wooded backdrop and wet weather creek for sunny days with morning coffee. Inside, find an welcoming open floor plan living/dining/kitchen with all appliances included and granite tile backsplash. Curved archway invites you to spend time in the sunroom for hours on end enjoying the birds and wildlife in beautiful Ozarks colors. In the traditional ranch style, this home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The master ensuite has a bonus room currently used as an office. Want more? Covered deck for year-round enjoyment lets you step into the bubbling hot tub for late nights with a glass of wine and unwind from a busy day. Located just minutes to Table Rock Lake and the famous Branson Landing, this home is in a great location and just waiting for you to call it home.